Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Stripe link for smoother checkout on mobile, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Stripe account. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section on the left sidebar. Look for the Checkout tab within the Payments menu. Click on it to access the checkout settings. You should see an option for Stripe link. Toggle the setting to enable Stripe link for your account. Next, scroll down to the Customization section. Here, you can customize the appearance of your checkout page. Take a moment to review the options available for branding. Once you're satisfied with the appearance, proceed to save your changes. Now, head to the Integration section in the sidebar. Select the API Keys option. Ensure you have your publishable and secret keys ready for integration. If you're using a website builder or app, find the section for payment processing. Follow the prompts to include your Stripe API keys. Make sure to test the integration in test mode first. After testing, switch to live mode before going live with your checkout. To finalize, visit your website or app to verify Stripe link is functioning. Ensure everything appears as expected on mobile devices. With these steps completed, your shoppers should experience a smoother checkout process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.